What is Wipes widget app? So this is lock screen friend updates app, which is rapidly going high in the charts. Probably, maybe it just went viral on TikTok. But the idea is that you just add friends here, and then if you have iOS 16 or later, you can just use it on your lock screen, and then you can see how your friends are feeling at the moment, and like your friends are happy, angry, or sad, and then your friends can also share like songs, their location, their share some links with you or whatever, everything on your lock screen. You don't even need to unlock your phone. So here's the app. You just easily create your account with your phone number, and this is my vibe. This is how you share your mood. You can add your photos here. So for example, you can just add a photo. You can see current photo. You can just add also then, as I said, like location, music, or link. Then you can set angry or sad, and then you see notification that your friend is sad, for example. Then you can just ask why, or you can see that you are bored. And then you can just go to messages and just swipe up to your friend and just message them why they are feeling bored or happy, or where they are. Like maybe they are traveling somewhere, and then it's like, wow, what are you doing there? And you instantly see all of these updates on your lock screen. It's you won't be able to see like 20 of your friends instantly. This is mostly for your close private friends. You can have maybe like 4 or 5 people on your lock screen, and then you just have your friends here. You can remove them or block, or you can just add a new friend from your contacts. And then if you want to edit your profile, go to chats, go to your profile, again go to gear icon. Here you can contact support, you can tap more, and then you can delete your account or sign out. So that's basically the idea.